Lala, what's that? It's the little birdie. It's the little bird. Hello. Hello. Lala, who's that? Who's that? Larisa, what's that?
He's walking sideways at
Look
the
at the little birdie. You are the little pretty bird. Look at the little bird. Lala. The little bird's interested in the Lala. Larisa, huh? What's that?
Look at him, he's looking upside down.
Yeah.
Look, look, look.
Look at the bird.
No, you can't.
Look at the bird. And of course we got Sylvester, little Tayling.
No, no.
That's right. That's Lala. And our little bird. Who's that, Lala? He's all excited. Who's that? Who's that? Oh, yeah. Yes. The little bird talking to the little bird. Yeah. Just be careful we don't knock it over.
Careful. Careful, honey.
That's right. He's the little bird. Who's that? It's a pretty little bird. She's a little pretty bird. Hey, Lala. It's the pretty little bird. It's a little bird.
Now you don't get to go near the piece of bird because you're a cat and whoa.
Who's the little pretty
And
birdie?
you're skitting again.
Yeah, Lala. Look at the little bird. Came flying and landed on the hood of my car, and I gave it a little food. I talked to the bird, and it was such a little pretty bird. We don't know your name. I don't know your name. And I was doing little chirps to the dog.
Careful now. We don't want you to get bit, honey.
Little chirps to the dog. Yeah. Hi.
Hi there.
There's a little bird. You are the pretty bird. You are the little pretty birdie, eh? Yeah. That's right. Larisa, she was talking, wanted to videotape video of the dog and the bird talking to the dog. Maybe it'll do it. Yeah. Look at that, Lala. What's that? What's that? It's a bird. It's your new buddy. It's your new buddy. It's your new buddy. That's your new friend. And look at that. It's Cockatiel. It's easy. You're going to knock the cage over.
Careful, honey. Careful.
You're going to knock the cage over.
Careful. Be nice
Oh,
now.
the bird is totally cash. You're such a pretty birdie. Yes, you are.
He's turning
The head upside down.
Like the camera. I wonder if it knows what a camera is. Maybe it's had a lot of pictures taken of it before. Because it keeps turning over like this.
That's right, Lala. What's that?
And I'm wondering if they had a dog.
Maybe.
Because it doesn't seem to be afraid of the dog.
Yeah. Hi.
Let's feel.
Hello. You are.
Let's feel.
I do? Out of my mouth or body? Oh yeah, I was hot and sweaty.
You have to get some deal done on
I
it.
gotta jump in the shower. Say hello.
You can put the birdie on the table out there. Out here?
I just had it here because of the light.
No, but you can put him on the table outside and go and you got some leaves. So.
Okay, we say goodbye.
3 o'clock already.
I'm gonna say goodbye, alright? I'm gonna say goodbye to the little birdie. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.